Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method onto your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. From the homepage, just choose your country and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After logging in, if you wish to add a payment method onto your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Payment Management. You will now see your payment settings window. Go ahead and click on Add Payment Method and you will now see the Add a Credit or Debit Card option. Go ahead and click on it and you can now enter your card credentials. You may also choose your card type by clicking on the Edit button. After choosing your card type, just enter your card number followed by the cardholder's name. Then enter the expiration month and year followed by the CVV or security code number. Finally, click on the next button and now your credit or debit card will be added after your credentials have been verified. And now you will be able to use this card in order to make various payments within your PlayStation account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.